2023 Puget City.
This message is being transmitted at the request of civil authorities. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Multiple televisions in your area are currently being hijacked by an unknown anomaly. On many televisions, a compilation of cat videos have suddenly interrupted programming. After 12 seconds, the television will switch to static, and an all-black entity will appear and come out of the television, where it then kills whoever is watching. This anomaly can appear on any channel, though it tends to stay there and not travel to any other channel. If your programming suddenly gets interrupted by a cat video, change the channel or turn off your television immediately. If you hear a laugh on your television during the static, it is too